It started with 2 words. How are you? Soft, calm, familiar. The finance worker at Arup, one of the world's most prestigious engineering firms, looked at his screen and felt his shoulders relax. His CFO was on the video call, so were several senior colleagues. Faces he recognized, voices he knew. He didn't realize it yet. Every single person on that call was fake. The email had arrived that morning, a confidential transaction, sensitive, time-bound, keep it quiet for now. It felt slightly off, but then the meeting invite came and the faces showed up on screen and the CFO said, "How are you?" in that tired Monday morning way he always did, and every alarm in the worker's brain went quiet. The colleagues nodded, they confirmed the details, they answered his questions. He processed 15 transactions across 5 bank accounts, $25.6 million. Gone. A week later, still uneasy, still carrying that thin thread of doubt, he called the real CFO, directly, old-fashioned phone call. The real CFO had never scheduled a meeting, had never discussed any transaction, hadn't spoken to him in weeks. The silence on that phone call had weight. Here's what the scammers had done. They scraped public videos, LinkedIn interviews, press briefings, investor calls, fed everything into AI voice cloning tools, deepfake video generators, and built a live, interactive performance. Faces that blinked, voices that breathed, a CFO who tilted his head exactly the way the real one does when he's being emphatic. The worker looked for signs of fakery. He found none, because there were none to find. Not to the human eye, not yet. That opening, "How are you?" It wasn't small talk, it was calibration, a slow pitch, a way to confirm the audio was syncing, the face was tracking, the target was relaxed and trusting. It worked, because we are wired to believe the faces and voices of people we know. For 100,000 years, that instinct kept us safe. It is no longer enough. The worker at Arup did nothing reckless. He didn't click a suspicious link. He didn't ignore obvious red flags. He looked carefully at the people on that screen. He assessed. He processed. He made a rational decision based on his own eyes and his own ears. And someone walked away with $25.6 million. Not with a weapon, not with a stolen password, just with a voice that said, "How are you?" and sounded exactly like someone he trusted. Somewhere, in a training dataset, that CFO's voice is still speaking, still waiting, still asking, "How are you?"